Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Ignited Garage. This one's going to be a road trip because we're going to pick up a project. I've got the trailer hooked up behind me, well, a freaking stupid U-Haul trailer. I got that trailer and I've got the camera right there that's going to do the time lapse or the video going towards Ottawa. Because that's where we're going. We're going up to Ottawa. And we'll pick up a project, and you guys will have to wait and see when we get there to find out what it is. So I'll put you guys over to the time lapse and enjoy the 3-hour-long road trip. It's gonna be something else, but I'm all by myself because Corinne has to work tonight, and no one else wanted to come with me. So. I don't think that truck is supposed to be down there. Holy crap! Wow! That's crazy. We've had some bad snow up this way, but Jesus. I don't know how the hell he got down there. Wow. Picking up the thing. I almost slipped out there telling you guys what it was, but you'll have to wait until we get there. Yeah, I think you guys can wait 3 minutes. Holy friggin' turkeys! Gobble, gobble, gobble! Get out of the road! Fucking turkeys. Jesus, those things are big. Anyone want to go hunting? I should have just grabbed one. But I'm not that kind of person. So, oh boy, we're 2 minutes out. I'm excited. Now a minute. Oh boy! Holy crap. I think you guys are really gonna enjoy this. It's gonna help out my channel, so. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. I just hope I don't miss a road. Road coming up. Where is it? Oh, I see it. Oh, yeah. Ah! Oh, I'm excited. Oh God, there's a car. They got a crap load of snow. There she be. Right there, guys. Red BMW. Woohoo! Alright, I'll write it back. Well guys, there we go. 2003 BMW E46. Corinne's drift car. I got my buddy here, Fred. He's the one I'm buying it off of. There's some stickers for you, buddy.
Oh, thanks, man. Cool.
So, oh well, it's fiance's drift car now. There we go, guys. You saw the new project. 2003 BMW E46. It's gonna be mine and Corinne's, but I'm just wanting her to get out more, and the only way to do that is getting her a car. So let's take the trip home. I'll show you guys. I might be able to show you someone when we get home, but not likely because of the time right now. It's 5:30 and that's what I'm looking at driving home, guys. But yeah, Fred, his Instagram is Dory_Fred. Go check it out. I'll link it in the description. He's taken this year off of drifting, but he's got a wicked car. What's going on, guys? Now, it's the next day, and I told you guys I'd show you the drift car. Corinne's right here, getting her stuff all ready. You gonna say hi? She worked until 2 last night, so she's a little zombie-fied right now. But I got back around 9:30 last night, and I was tired, dead. Didn't really want to do nothing, so I just parked the truck and trailer. And there we go, guys. It's a 2003 BMW 325i. It's a 5-speed. It's got the M54. It's already got the welded diff. It doesn't have an exhaust because it's got about, I want to say 2.5, 3-inch exhaust. It's a 4-door. But hey, $500. Can't go wrong. I gotta figure out what's wrong with it because it's not starting right now. I think it might be a fuel issue. But let me try and I'll show you, I'll pop the hood here for you. There we go, guys. It's got the M54. I heard they're good motors. It's the first ever BMW I've ever had. Now, I need to do some work to it. I want to find a heat shield for over there again and just clean it up again, get an actual filter that'll go under there. But like I said, it's the M54. And I gotta clean up some other stuff, but yeah. Now, the inside is fairly gutted. As you can see, there's not even a seat. But the whole thing's gutted, ready for drifting. So, if you guys are BMW guys, awesome. We're gonna keep the door cards. It's got the headliner. We're gonna keep that in. I want to make it comfortable but driftable. So, yeah, I will be right back when I get inside because it's cold out. Like I said, that's gonna be my and Corinne's drift car, and what the plans are is suspension. The disc already welded because the kid that I got off was gonna drift it. And some nice seats. The motor, it says it's got 300,000+ on it, so it's hurting. If it lasts me a few years this year, maybe next year, I might turbo another M54 and see how that works. So, and this one here, guys, I hope you enjoy these videos of this new project. If you want to see more, subscribe, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you you'll see when I get them if you turn that post notification button on too. And if you like this, please hit the thumbs up. Anyways, guys, once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.